What it do? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ozzy, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to plug in two pair of headphones to an iPhone or iPad. In clear Apple fashion, you're going to be able to plug in AirPods, AirPods Max, Beats, anything Apple product to the one iPhone or iPad without a problem. Now, Apple does have a feature that you can share audio that's integrated within the interface of the iPhone or iPad, so it becomes pretty simple to be able to go ahead and connect two to the one phone. Now, when it becomes a challenge is in a situation that I'm actually in is that I'm going to be traveling. The thing is that we want to take our noise canceling headphones because we are going to be on a plane. Now, she owns the Bose and I have the Sony, but these are not made by Apple. Now, I'm going to show you guys a method that you can use any type of headphones. Sennheiser, Sony, Bose, any type of headphone that is not made by Apple, you're going to be able to plug them in and use them on your iPad. I know this is a very specific situation, but I thought I'd make a video because I've watched a ton of videos on YouTube where they show you how to plug in the two headphones, the AirPods. But again, my wife and I want to take our noise canceling headphones and I couldn't find a way to do it. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at how to plug in the two Apple products, which in this case is going to be the Apple iPods. Let's go jump over to our iPad. Alright guys, I have my iPad here and I also have my AirPods here ready to pair. And what we're going to want to do first to get started is we're going to want to pair our AirPods. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to have to click on settings, and here on the Bluetooth tab we're going to want to go and pair these. So I have my two. What I want to show you guys is that here I have my AirPods 1. We're going to go ahead and make a connection with that one. And as you can see right there, AirPods 1 is connected. And then we're also going to want our other pair to be connected, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. So we're going to go ahead and pair that. You should see it pop up. Connected. So now that you have both of your AirPods connected, we're going to go ahead and play our movie. So we're going to go ahead and start off by doing the Netflix app. Now I have a movie pulled up here, but you guys can choose any movie that you guys want. I was watching Back to the Future. So as you can hear, it's playing the movie right now. I have my AirPods 1. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my ear. It says it's connected. Now I can actually hear this on the one AirPod. What we want to do to add the second AirPod, or the other person's AirPod, we're going to want to go ahead and follow this process. So what we want to do is we want to scroll down on the top corner here, and you're going to see this cube. Now this cube is what controls your media in the control center. And this right now it says Netflix, but if you're listening to YouTube or a podcast or anything, you're going to see this cube. We're going to go ahead and open that, and as you can see, it has our Back to the Future movie. And then right here is what we want to click on. You see the little AirPods that are clicked on? Now this is my AirPods 1 that I have in my ear. We want to add another one, so what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and tap on that. And here you're going to see my AirPods 1 that is in my ear, and it's checked. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and fill in the bubble. So now both bubbles are filled in on this set of headphones that you're going to see. And now if I go back and continue my movie, both pair of AirPods are now playing, and both of you are watching the same movie. You can do it for YouTube, Hulu, Peacock, anything. All you got to do is scroll on the top. You'll see this cube here that says whatever you're playing. Right now, again, it says Netflix. Click on the little icon here, and as you can see, there's two little people here, indicating that there's two of you watching the same movie. And as you can see, you can turn these off or turn them on. So here you're going to have your list. Go ahead and click back, continue. Go ahead and click back, continue watching your movie. So as you see, you're able to connect your AirPods to your iPad or your iPhone pretty simple. My wife and I actually have a couple movies downloaded on our iPad that we're going to be able to watch on our trip. And with that being said, we are not going to be using our AirPods. We're going to be using our headphones. Now, if you watched my videos in the past, you know that I'm a huge fan of the noise canceling headphones, specifically the Sony M3s, the M4s. Now, this is going to be a great choice to take on a trip, especially when you're on a plane. But how do you connect these two that are not Apple products to your phone? Before I tell you guys, if you guys can please give me a like on this video, put a comment down below to see if this is helpful, or if you have other solutions on how to connect these. I really appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I make videos on tech, on how to use it and situations that pop up. So I'm really happy to share, and I would like to hear what you guys have to say as well. So leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. So before I go into how to plug these headphones into your iPad, I want to let you guys know that we are going to be using a product. I've looked at videos online, I looked all over YouTube on how to do it, and there's just not a simple way to plug in non-Apple products to your iPhone or iPad. And not unfortunately, because I actually think that it's a great product, but you do have to use a product, a transmitter to be specific, to be able to plug these two headphones into your iPad. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product, and hopefully you guys find the value in it and be able to do the same if you guys are going on a trip and wanting to take your noise canceling headphones. Let me go ahead and grab that for you real quick. Alrighty guys, so here I have the AirFly Pro by 12 South, and I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and let me just say, this is an awesome product. Now, I did a lot of research because I was looking at different methods and different transmitters on how to do this, because I really needed this to go on our trip. And I found, after using it for a little bit, that this is awesome. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in taking a look, but you can also buy this at the Apple Store. We're actually going to go pick up an adapter really quick, and I will show you this. But this uses the 3.5 millimeter jack. Now, if you have the newer phones or the newer iPads, you're gonna need an adapter, which is what we're gonna go get right now, to make it into a USB-C. But I've been using this in the car, and I've been using this on my daughter's iPad. Anything that uses a 3.5 millimeter jack, you can go ahead and plug in and transmit to your headphones. Now, let's go ahead really quick, go pick up the adapter, and I'm gonna show you how to use this, and you guys are gonna really like it. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, so here we got it. We picked up the headphone jack adapter to USB-C, and we're going to need this to go ahead and plug in our transmitter. Alright guys, so we're back on our iPad, and this is going to be a lot easier than what we had to do with our AirPods, which is kind of strange to say, but it's only easy because we're going to be using the AirFly Pro. Now this is the device that's just going to work all the magic for us, and this is going to help us connect both of these noise canceling headphones that are not made by Apple and allow us to use both of these at the same time to watch our movie. Now I have an adapter here for the USB-C connection, and I'm only using this because this iPad here uses this and doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter jack. So this situation is going to work for me, but you might be able to plug this right directly into your iPad or iPhone, or you might need a different adapter to be able to connect. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and connect it like that. All we're going to do is go ahead and turn this on, and then after this is on, all you got to do really is just plug it in. We're not going to work on any of the settings. We're not going to go in our settings tab or anything like that. It's just going to remember your headphones at all times. And as long as you turn this on and these headphones are paired, you can plug this into anything in your car, at the machines when you go work out, or anything. This will remember, and you don't have to connect to any other type of device. Now that it's plugged in, pull up your Netflix, go ahead and start your movie. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but both of the headphones are playing the one iPad audio. Pretty cool. So guys, I'm pretty sure I know what you guys are gonna say, and it's the fact that Apple doesn't let us use just the normal feature on their phones to be able to plug in our headphones. Now, this product was purchased by me. This is not a sponsored video. I bought money. I watched tons of videos and research on how to plug these headphones in using this method. And I have to say, for me, it's worth every penny. It's just very unfortunate that Apple locks the feature where you can use Bluetooth speakers, multiple headphones of any kind. They don't have to be Apple. They just block it off and you're unable to use other headphones. Now, if you were looking for a solution that didn't involve a transmitter, I apologize. This is just the solution that at this moment in time is the best for me. Now, I hope this helps you guys out, because if you are going on a trip, I think this is very much worth it, especially if you're going to want to use noise canceling headphones. Now, I will leave a link to this product below so that you can take a look. There's other transmitters on the market that you can also do your research on, but just make sure that you're able to connect 2 pair of headphones to them, because most of them, they're going to be able to connect 1 pair of headphones or speaker, but not 2. So just make sure that you find one that has 2 if you don't decide to go with this choice. So there you have it. If you're going on a trip, safe travels. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.